Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly a new spreadsheet added to the website at tatems.com/spreadsheets that you can link up to your live TATEMS data. And what it is basically is the parts used count totals with a custom date range. And so you'll be able to change the date range in the spreadsheet, but you got to dig into it a little bit in order to change that date range. We have another one like this higher up that actually just goes over the last 12 months, and it's farther up the list here, but so anyways, it's this spreadsheet here. And in order to once it's downloaded, basically you're going to see it looks like this here. You're going to click on enable content and maybe enable content one more time. Now this, the way I'm going to show you how to link this up to your data and change the date range might be different if you, well, it will look different if you have Excel 2016. So you might have to kind of dig through it a little bit to figure out how this was going to work in Excel 2016. This should be the same in Excel 2007, 2010, and 2013 versions though. All right, so once you have it open, you can click on the Data tab, and you're going to click on Connections, and you're going to click on Properties, and you're going to click on Definition. Now, from us, this spreadsheet is going to come pointing to your Program Files, TATEMS 2005 folder, and then the data file, TATEMS 2005 BE.mdb. Now, your computer might be pointing to Program Files x86, where the TATEMS is installed, or it could be on a network. So in order to put in the correct data path of where your data file is, we're going to go into TATEMS. We're going to click on Tools and Networking. We're going to click, just right click here and choose Copy. I'm going to copy that networking path if it's all highlighted in black like that. And I'm going to close this. I'll minimize TATEMS. Come back here, and right after the equal sign where it says data source equals, and we have the C, I'm going to select from the C down to the semicolon right after the .mdb there. I'm going to paste that in, and then I'm going to, now we've put the data path in, and if I scroll down, we'll see here where it says the date range. All right, so here's where the date range is. So it's between, right now it's set to 10/1/2016 to 8/31/2017. Now, in order to change that, you're going to put in the date range that you are looking for to display in the spreadsheet. And this is going to be, you can change the way that it's set up. This is October, this 10 here, it's not January 1, it's October 1st, because that's the American, or the US, I should say, the US settings for our dates. But you can use however you got it set up regionally in your regional settings inside Windows is how you're going to want to set this up in the spreadsheet. So if you put the month second and the day first and the year last, then that's how you want to set it up. However you guys set up your dates, and as long as Windows is set up that way in your regional settings in Windows for your date format. All right, it could actually be, year first and then month and then the day, however you guys do it. So you would change that date range there. Make sure to leave in these hash tags on either side of the date. No space after or before the hashtag. So it's basically just the way you see it here. Just highlight it and change it. So if I wanted to put in instead of 10/1/2016, I could change this to 01/01 2017, for example. All right. And then I just click OK, close that. Once I've done, I clicked OK, and then I click close. And now we can see here that we've got a part number here called stretch cable, and the same description, stretch cable, and with a quantity in that for the quantity for that entire date range that were installed via work order is 2, and the SUSE pipes quantity is 2. Let me show you one more thing inside of TATEMS that I kind of went over with this customer, and that is if we go here and look at the SUSE pipes and we go to the parts or material used, you can see here that we've added I added a new repair code called abuse, so it's number 16 abuse. If I double click to open this up and we see the repair code down at the bottom, the repair codes from us come with 1 through 15. Alright, and so this abuse one I just added because that was something that they wanted to see in there. So basically you just type in 16-abuse, and then the wizard will take you through, you assign it a number and then a name, and then you save it, and then it will be in the system to be reused again. Alright, so now I can we can see everything that was related to abuse if you want to use that repair code. Alright, and so you could actually add other repair codes. Say we wanted to do abuse, and then it could be abuse electrical, abuse engine, abuse chassis, whatever. Then you could sort of group your costs that way as well. If I go over here to reports, more reports, and choose work orders, now I could go down here to the repair code costs, and I can choose to a specific repair code. So if I just wanted to see abuse, I could choose that one, click review. We can see here total numbers of work orders and total costs related to abuse were 2. And up here we have a little higher up, we have another repair code one, repair code totals by repair code, and I've got 16 in there already, and I can just click preview, and this here will show me up here at the top. It says repair code, so it's going to group the repair codes. If I didn't put a repair code in, it would just go through each repair code and give me a total for each of those repair codes. So it gives me the repair code, the parts and labor, or in this case we just had parts, and the total cost for each of those. We have the work order number, and we have the equipment number right here. Alright, one other place you can see repair code information, if we go over here to reports, all equipment reports, we have repair codes cost per mile per hour report. If I click on that, and we're going to choose the 2 equipment that I was working on. Now here I can choose multiple repair codes and have them come up, or I can just choose the one repair code here, and then right here I have my date range 8/1 through 8/31/2017. I'm going to click preview report, and this just shows you the repair code. It would actually show you multiple ones if you had chosen them, and then the repair code total, your overall repair code parts totals, and your grand totals for all the repair codes that you selected in that report for that day range. Alright, hopefully that helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.